Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on how to install LSD conversion set into Lexus IS200 differential. As you already know, the open differential is really a fun spoiler, especially for rear-wheel drive cars. So with this LSD conversion set, you will get rid of it for good. Check the link in the description for more info and the purchase, and now let's get to work. Make sure you separate left and right adjustment shims that go with bearing cones, because they influence on gear patch and center position of the LSD unit. Put the 4 springs in their ledges. Use the vise to compress the plates and blocking tools to keep the set compressed. Lubricate all parts well, especially friction discs. Put the set inside and release from blocking tools. Return the central pin back. Return the crown gear back. And the last step is the oil. It is important to be oil for limited slip differentials. It has usually it has a badge on the packaging, and it's important thickness of the oil should be 75W140. So we recommend Motul, but if you can't find it locally, then it is important to keep 75W140 and oil for limited slip differentials. Fill in the oil until you reach the top of the plug and then close the plug. Hope we managed to show you all aspects of installation procedure. As you see, it is quite simple, and now you're ready to enjoy all benefits of rear-wheel drive car properly. Support our community and keep our channel alive by commenting, liking and sharing. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.